Big Brother fans always look forward to dramatic alliances, unexpected betrayals, and unforgettable final two deals that define each season. And now legendary house guest Rachel Riley has opened up about Big Brother 27 and the question fans have been buzzing about since the finale aired: who would he have truly chosen as her final two partner if she had made it all the way to the end? Rachel, who has cemented herself as one of the most recognizable faces of the franchise since her iconic run on Big Brother 12 and her championship win in Big Brother 13, returned during season 27 as part of the cast twist that brought back select alumni to mentor and shake up the game. Though she wasn't a competing house guest in the traditional sense, her role gave her unprecedented access to strategies, alliances, and the deeply personal connections that unfolded inside the house, which left fans speculating about where her loyalties truly lay and what could have happened had she been forced to play for herself. In a brand new interview that's already sparking conversation across the Big Brother community, Rachel finally addressed the burning question about whether a particular house guest really was her intended final two partner, and her answer has both thrilled and surprised longtime viewers who thought they had the season figured out. Rachel explained that while fans often think her relationships inside the Big Brother house are driven purely by strategy, she has always played with her heart as much as her head, and that approach carried over into her perspective on season 27. She admitted that she formed an immediate bond with one house guest in particular, a connection that reminded her of her early days inside the house when the bonds she built ended up defining her trajectory as a place heir and ultimately leading to her win. According to Rachel, trust and loyalty were the most important factors in deciding her final two intentions, and although she praised multiple players for their competitiveness, strategic moves, and social skills, she confessed that only one of them truly made her feel like she could rely on them through every twist and turn of the game. Without naming names right away, Rachel teased fans by reflecting on the tense eviction nights when blindsides were rampant and alliances crumbled within minutes. She said she often asked herself during those moments which players she would be able to sit beside in the final two chairs and genuinely feel proud of sharing the journey with. Her answer, she revealed, was not necessarily the obvious choice viewer might expect, since Big Brother 27 was filled with dominant competitors and flashy personalities who often commanded the spotlight. Instead, Rachel's pick was someone who demonstrated quiet resilience, adaptability, and an ability to avoid unnecessary drama even while surrounded by chaos. When she finally revealed that this person was indeed the house guest many suspected but never confirmed, the fandom erupted into debates about whether her loyalty was based on emotion, strategy, or a combination of both. Rachel defended her stance by explaining that Big Brother is never just about physical competitions or cunning strategy, but about the human connections that develop under extreme pressure. She emphasized that her final two loyalty was a reflection of both gameplay and personal trust, two factors she believes should never be separated. She also pointed out that if she had been in the house competing, she would have fought tooth and nail to make sure she and her chosen partner reached the end together, much like she did in her own winning season. What makes Rachel's revelation especially impactful is the way it reframes how fans view Big Brother 27 in hindsight. Many had assumed that certain dominant house guests were destined to secure her support, but her choice highlights the often overlooked importance of subtle gameplay and genuine connection in determining final two deals. Rachel's comments also sparked comparisons to her own career on the show, with fans recalling how her final two partner during her winning season, Posh Briggs, was not the flashiest or most dominant player but someone Rachel trusted to stay loyal when it mattered most. Social media quickly lit up with reactions, with hashtags tied to Big Brother 27 trending on X, formerly Twitter, as fans debated whether Rachel's loyalty would have changed the outcome of the season had she been in control of her own destiny. Some argued that her pick could have reshaped jury votes and completely rewritten the finale, while others insisted that the eventual winner still would have prevailed regardless of Rachel's intentions. Beyond the speculation, Rachel's revelation underscored the timeless truth that Big Brother remains unpredictable no matter how carefully fans try to read the game. Every alliance, every vote, and every final two deal is subject to shifting dynamics, and even legends like Rachel can surprise fans their loyalties. For Rachel, though, The question of Final Two is about more than just strategy, it's about integrity and playing a game that she can look back on with pride. As Big Brother prepares for yet another season, Rachel's words serve as a reminder to both new and veteran house guests that the Final Two is not just a strategic partnership but a reflection of who you trust to represent your game and your journey in front of the jury. Whether her chosen partner from season 27 will go down as the most surprising Final Two reveal in franchise history remains to be seen, but what's clear is that Rachel Riley has once again proven why her voice carries so much weight in the Big Brother community. Her legacy as a player, winner, and now commentator continues to shape how fans view the game, and her willingness to speak candidly about her decisions ensures that her influence on the franchise will endure for years to come. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.